Now, give it some, drench it with some of the original chicken stock.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to steam a chicken and make a very special sauce, or rather my favorite sauce for this steamed chicken. All right. Now I have half of this is a free range chicken. KL we call this actually is ma cao ji, Napier glass chicken, my favorite chicken here. I got it from wet market for approximately 46 or 47 ringgit for about 2.1 kg. So per kg, I don't know, 26 ringgit, is it? Anyway, so after of course I get the seller to cut it for me, cut into half. So this half I'm going to steam it, and after you wash it, what you want to do is actually you want to marinate it with some salt. Right, a thin layer of salt. You can fill a bit over here as well. Look at how beautiful this chicken is. And beautiful yellowish. Next thing, I'm going to put few pieces of ginger. I'll put 2 at the bottom, few pieces at the bottom as well. And few pieces on top. Then we will send it to the steamer and steam it for approximately 30 minutes. I think the most important thing is make sure it is fully defrosted. Usually if it's not, if it takes longer than 30 or 40 minutes, then probably inside is not fully defrosted. That's the only thing you need to take note. Right, so you just use the steamer that you have to steam it for 30 to 40 minutes. So while waiting, I'm going to make a very simple sauce or dipping sauce. I have approximately 2 tablespoons of minced ginger here, about 1 tablespoon of minced chili. I'm using big chili here so that it's not too spicy for my family. If you prefer more kick, of course you can use chili padi. I have 2 stalks of fresh coriander. Now, fresh coriander is actually has a very acquired taste. You either hate it or you love it. Appa is those type who really love it. Who else also love fresh coriander? Put it inside the comment section below to let me know. Who hated it, also put inside the comment section and let Appa know. Yeah, there's no right or wrong. You don't like, you don't like. There's no need to find reason. And then we will need some, you either use raw garlic or also can use fried garlic as well. We will need some oil at the same time. Let's prepare a bigger bowl so that we can mix all the dipping ingredients together. Here's the fresh coriander, here's the chili, the ginger, some prefer to cook this particular sauce. Up to you. I don't. Sometimes I do too. So there's no rules in Appa Kitchen. And this is some fried garlic, or like I said, you can use raw garlic as well, no problem. Now we're going to give it some salt. And to mix, we are going to use oil to mix everything together. Here's some vegetable oil. And I'm going to mix it with sesame oil. Next thing is to blend everything up. Sorry, is to mix everything up together. Whoa, the sesame oil is making it very, very fragrant. And There you go, your dipping sauce for your steamed chicken is ready. Of course, for those who don't like or don't take fresh coriander, you can just omit the fresh coriander and use the rest of the ingredient inside here. Right, the chicken is ready. I'm going to carefully open it. Wow. Wow, we still have a lot of beautiful chicken stock. Ooh, got soup ready. So I'm going to let it rest for a couple of minutes until it cool it down. Then only I will cut it. And look at how beautiful the golden yellow color is. Woohoo! Alright, here's the chicken. I'm still considering whether I want to cut it or later just use my hand to to tear off the meat. Actually, that feels really nice as well. Very good feeling. Now, give it some, drench it with some of the original chicken stock. And if you have some timun, yeah, cucumber, you can put at the bottom. Right. So here's our very simple steamed chicken with my favorite dipping sauce. If you like my very simple video today, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. By the way, like I mentioned, if you want to cut it, wait and give it about 10-15 minutes for it to cool down, then only you cut it. It's easier that way.